Hello, another day of an update on my renovation journey. So nothing really. The main thing is that we really clean the floor like for several times because it's still dusty. We decided not to engage the renovation cleaning service yet because we got to try, right? So this is the fifth time that we really clean and scrub. So hopefully it's now actually less dusty. Yeah, let's briefly give some update. Yeah, the kitchen island is here, right? There's a painting here, wood carving that is given as a gift from our interior designer. So thank you for that. It kind of match the theme, right, of the grey backdrop, right? So yeah, our fridge have arrived. The washing machine also arrived, right? And there are some racks that we got just for putting our stuff. A lot of racks, racks. Okay, so yep. And to the living room, right? Okay, so we go. This is our table, right? From the table guy, I think mentioned before. We still have yet to really clean it because we're gonna drill a bit on the wall blind soon, so to kind of protect it before it get dusty. And this is the painting that my girlfriend got. Serene got it from a indie artist. So what this five entails the Chinese mythical feng shui signs. Okay, so this is what is this? This is Qinglong, right? Yeah. This is Xuan Wu. This is Huang. This is Huang Long. So this symbolizes the emperor, right? And this is Zhu Que. And this is Bai Hu. So if you watch the Bodyguard Assassin or something by Donnie Yen, you know the four of them, right? So these are the four signs. Of course, this is the fifth sign that I kind of surprised to find out. So it's the emperor, and all these four signs kind of protect it, right? So it's kind of like a feng shui, and it's kind of a nice design. Yeah. Okay. The sofa is here. We got from the Mega Store or something, or Mega Store, yeah, in Hillview. So it's a small one because we have limited space between our dining table and our TV, so we got a small one to at least let people sit. So actually this area probably we might have a rattan chair or a bean bag, and this bit tea table, right? So a small one. And we got the LG G1 terrific TV. Just that we haven't mount this because we are actually reusing the previous owner TV mount, but unfortunately, right, I think he took away all the nuts and screws, so we don't have the nuts right now. So we actually got it online and we'll wait for it to be delivered so that we can mount our TV to this TV mount. Okay, yeah, we get a toolbox to arrange this when the times come. Okay, and then yeah, we actually set our doorbell. Okay, it's at the outside, so we don't really have to see much. Yeah, the door will be fixed this coming Monday. Okay, so yeah, we clean. Okay, and this is my working room. So I got two monitors, right? Both of them are Dell. One 27-inch and one is 24-inch. Maybe I give a review after my desk and chair have arrived. Okay, and I actually put two paintings from one of the from online also, but also indie artist. So this is Liverpool. I'm a Liverpool fan, so these are the striker from the PSD era until the latest Mohamed Salah, right? So I thought this is pretty unique, and I also got a painting or portrait of Hamilton in a cartoon figure. Maybe you shouldn't call this cartoon. Yep. And these will be more paintings and artifacts. I probably put a backboard here, and this will be my gaming area. But I haven't got the desk yet, so still thinking what I'm gonna do about it. Alright, that's it for my place. Okay, thank you everyone.